Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. There are two ways that you can build tracks with Instruqt, the Instruqt CLI or the Web UI. In this video, we'll go over how to install and authenticate the Instruqt CLI on a Linux workstation. These steps should work on most Linux distributions, like Redhat, CentOS or Ubuntu, and Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL2. First, let's head to our documentation page and click on the Setup Instruqt tab to get started. As we mentioned, there are two tools that you can use to build tracks. Let's click on the Instruqt CLI tab and select the link to the downloads page. Okay, so here we see a list of download links. For the sake of this example, we are working on an Ubuntu Linux workstation, so we will be focusing only on the links that include Linux. You'll see two listed here. The regular .zip file is the one we are looking for. We also provide a checksum file if you need to verify the integrity of the download. Let's go ahead and download the zip file. Open up a Linux terminal. Inside your terminal, you'll copy and paste the following block of code. Feel free to pause this video if you need to. You can also copy and paste it directly from the documentation. Okay, let's test the Instruqt CLI by typing the instruct command. If you've installed it correctly, you'll get this output on your screen. And it looks like we've correctly installed the CLI. Cool, now you're ready to build a track. For more information about utilizing the Instruqt CLI, head to our documentation page.